Another trade recap video today. Took on a couple new positions, starting with SIVB. I'm going to short this one. I'm going to swing this one short, rather. I've been watching it. It's been building these lower highs after this big gap down with a 230, 227 support level. It's a nice little bear flag on the daily, as you can see. Once it gapped down under this range, I basically shorted it just about at the open with a 230 stop. And it faded pretty well intraday. Of course, the market conditions overall helped quite a bit. Next, as just a day trade, I was waiting for the meeting to happen. Was pretty patient all day, waited for this to see what the market reaction would be. I never really trust the first reaction. Once it put in this kind of little double top, and I saw this big red candle specifically, this one right here, you can see that it was on big volume as well, basically reversing most of the move. I took a long in put positions right around here. You can see here I bought here, and yeah, pretty clean fade. I honestly wasn't expecting to get to 265, but still from the last portion I sold up about 90% on these put options. Almost about 2K on those today. Last, I bought a long position in a leveraged ETF SOXS, which is the bear semiconductor index. Basically, the logic for the trade is SMH is basically in a bear flag, which is the semiconductor index, putting in a nice bear flag, or an ascending wedge, whatever you want to call it. Just kind of finding support right now on these moving averages, so I'm not really sure what's going to happen next, but overall, with the market being weak, I think it's a decent trade. Plus, this one is a big mover, SOXS, so there's no reason why, if the market retests the lows, that this one can't retest its recent highs, or around $80. As you can see, the market kind of failed this little rally it had. Would not be surprised at all if we're retesting the lows. I mean, we're pretty close to that, another 4% away. Tomorrow could be an inside day, and then maybe we slowly fade off, but market's still overall pretty weak. I know people had kind of a bullish sentiment with this rally here, that we kind of refused to sell off and held the 10 and 20 SMA, but yeah, I mean, this is a pretty nasty candle today, pretty big reversal. Wouldn't be surprised and it's on big volume, wouldn't be surprised if we retest the lows here. So that's all I traded today. If you want more of this content, please drop a like and subscribe, and hopefully see you soon.